Welcome back to the channel. I realize that Sweetie Lulu has not been in a video in a long time now, so I wanted to give her an opportunity to be on camera. And it's her birthday this week. She's going to be 7, so I'm giving her a gift. It's a new cat food dish. Sweetie Lulu is a very affectionate cat, and she's very beautiful, as you can see. She's got big green eyes. I believe she's a calico kitty, and she lives with two small dogs. They get along with her very well. She doesn't really care for their existence, but they live in peace and harmony. She doesn't really have any bad habits other than maybe scratching every once in a while, but that's not really a bad habit. It's perfectly normal for cats to want to scratch. She's calm and very affectionate and loving, and just look at her. Oh! So these are the new feeding bowls for Sweetie Lulu, and I think maybe I'll get her a collar next. This cat food dish is available on Amazon, and it's made by YHY. As you can see, the bowl is elevated so that cats can eat and drink in an ergonomic way without straining their neck. It's supposed to reduce vomiting in cats. Because the bowls are secure, they cannot be knocked over easily. Each bowl measures about 5 inches in diameter by slightly over 2 inches high, and the stand raises the top to 2.9 inches off the ground. There is separation between the bowls so that food and water don't spill into each other. An important note is that the bowls are in fact dishwasher and microwave safe. But I don't have a need to put them in the dishwasher or microwave. I just plan to clean them with soap and water. But, you know, every cat owner is different. I do like them. They are a great size. They are 12 ounces, which is large enough for Sweetie Lulu, but not so large that the food or water gets stale. I had been using a larger stainless steel bowl just to top it off every now and then, and noticed the food at the bottom was going bad from being exposed, of course, to the air and cat saliva or dander, whatever happens to get into the bowl at the time. The bowl is very, very pretty. It's a lovely shade of blue with a kind of amber or butterscotch colored rim, and it's surrounded by fish bones. Clearly meant for a lovely cat. Here's the bottom of the bowl. YHY does make fine porcelain as well, but these bowls are ceramic. And you can see she does like them already. Happy birthday, Sweetie Lulu. I hope you enjoy your new food bowl. Be sure to check the description section below for more information, and take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.